Tired of struggling with a cracked or worn-out key fob case? This keyless remote case offers a simple solution that brings your key fob back to life without the hassle of buying a whole new remote. It's designed to fit perfectly over your existing transmitter, restoring both its look and functionality in minutes. The real benefit here is convenience. Instead of dealing with expensive repairs or replacements, you can just swap out the old case for this new cover. It matches the exact dimensions of your original key fob, ensuring a seamless fit that locks out moisture and debris, protecting the sensitive electronics inside. That means your key fob stays safe and reliable. I've seen firsthand how easy this fix can be. One customer shared how they replaced the case on their 2003 Toyota Camry in just 15 seconds, no modifications, no fuss. They simply opened the new case, transferred the internals from the broken one, and snapped it closed. The remote worked perfectly right away, saving time and money. Before you order, it's worth double-checking that this case fits your vehicle. Just enter your make, model, and trim level into the Garage tool to ensure a precise match. This step guarantees you get the right cover for your keyless entry transmitter without any surprises. What you get is a trustworthy replacement that looks just like the original and shields your key fob from everyday wear and tear. It's an affordable way to extend the life of your remote and avoid the frustration of a malfunctioning keyless entry system. If you're dealing with a cracked or worn key fob case, this replacement cover is worth a look. It's a straightforward fix that restores your remote's appearance and performance quickly. No need to spend extra on a full key fob replacement when this smart, cost-effective option is available. Try it when you're ready to bring your key fob back to life with minimal effort. This keyless remote case replacement offers practical protection and an easy repair solution that fits your vehicle perfectly. A small investment now can save you from bigger hassles down the road.